Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Asana for lead follow-ups and deal deadlines, full guide step by step clearly. To connect with Asana for lead follow-ups and deal deadlines, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to your dashboard and identify the project you want to enhance with lead follow-ups. Create a new task by clicking the Add Task button in the project. Title the task relevant to the lead or deal you are tracking. In the task description, add key details about the lead, including contact information and any relevant notes. Set a due date for the task that aligns with your follow-up schedule. Assign the task to yourself or the appropriate team member responsible for the follow-up. Next, add subtasks for different actions to be taken during the follow-up process. Include reminders for important milestones or deadlines associated with the deal. To streamline communication, integrate your email with Asana. Go to the project settings and click on Integrations. Select the email integration option that suits your needs and follow the prompts to connect your. Once integrated, you can convert emails into tasks within Asana for easy tracking. Next, use Asana's custom fields to add specific information like deal value or lead stage. This will help personalize your approach based on where each lead stands in the sales process. Utilize Asana's timeline view to visualize upcoming deadlines for all your lead follow-ups. This feature will allow you to see overlaps and prioritize important tasks effectively. Set up project templates for common follow-up processes. Regularly review your tasks and deadlines to ensure you stay on track. Finally, leverage Asana's reporting features to monitor progress and adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps, you'll create an efficient system for connecting with Asana to manage lead follow-ups and deal deadlines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.